If you walk into a home and it smells welcoming, you feel almost instantaneously relaxed. It's comforting to the soul. Light Glo is a Melbourne-based fragrance house. We began in 2016. I was 36 weeks pregnant and I made some candles for my baby shower. That's really where the inception of the brand came from.
Over the 6 years, we've grown into a multi-award-winning manufacturer. We won 9 manufacturing awards in the last 5 years. At the moment, we have over 350 retailers in Australia and an online presence. We wanted to bring the science back into the candle manufacturing. So we know how each fragrance can stimulate different hormones and how the hormones is going to affect different part of your brain.
Our packaging tells a story, as does the scent. For example, our Outback Magic has the koala on it and it's a eucalyptus scent and it takes you back to the eucalyptus forest. So it's about creating memories with those scents. We wanted to provide a plethora of products. So we have room sprays, reed diffusers, but we also work with companies to create unique scents for them.
When we started Brand Scent, there was quite a large gap in Australia. If you walk into a hotel, the first thing you notice is the smell. That's what the scent marketing is. And it's just creating the connection with that brand and their customers. And that's what we do through the sensory marketing.
Producing here, I know that I can walk into my factory, I can look at my product, I can smell my product, I can do those checks that I did in the first instance when I was making a few hundred in my garage and then moving into our warehouse. For us, having that control over production, having our staff trained in the way that we choose to, just feels best suited to keep manufacturing in Australia. Gifting an Australian-made product has become so much more important these days. I think people do turn that packaging around or over to see where is it made. They feel comfortable in the knowledge that it's been produced here. We talk to our retailers at trade shows and ask them, what is it that made them choose Light Glo? And often the answer is, it's Australian-made.
All over the world, they recognize this green and gold logo. And that's one of the reasons we are growing on a very high pace. We started from garage, now we can manufacture almost 5,000 candles a day. It's giving us that opportunity, and that's very important for us.
When it comes to creating an ambience for your home or your place, your store, wherever it may be, it's really about feeling comfortable, relaxed, and at home. That's what drives me every day.